Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a request smuggling lab in Port Surveyor's Web Security Academy. It is HTTP2 request smuggling via CRLF injection. This vulnerable smuggling front end downgrades HTTP2 requests and fails to adequately sanitize incoming headers. Solve the lab. Requests. We need to use an HTTP2 exclusive request smuggling vector to gain access to every 15. If you're not filling exclusive features for use an HTTP exclusive request. Okay. And then so we need to use the same thing. So this vector, what this is saying is this vector is only available when using H2. And yeah, we need to downgrade it. It doesn't say what the backend is using. So it could either be using CL or TE. And then let's look at the hints. So we know we're going to do CRLF injection. This just tells you a little bit about how. Capture, if you're not. So we need to gain access to another user's account. So again, and the victim accesses the homepage every 15 seconds. So if they're accessing the homepage and we need to gain access to their account, my expectation is that we're going to capture their session. Quest smuggling. So what's this one? Okay, this is the oh yeah, this is the when we did the search one. We found a parameter that we could attach it to and then read all the headers. That's what we're looking at there. Sweet. Okay, so let's get started. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Help me out a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to test for H2 CL and then H2 CE or TE. And then we're going to try, and it's probably here, that search where we capture recent searches. Yeah, something like this to capture their response. Okay. But first off, let's go like this and like this and like this and like this. Targets, proxy, HTTP history. Let's send this to repeater twice. All right, we need to test for H2 CL. So let's do a post. We'll delete all of this for now. We will add the content length header of 0. We will skip a line and then do another get / Trevor HTTP 1.1 host will be the same. Copy, paste, content length. We should probably do it like this, like x equals. Okay. Okay. Should we? No, whatever. So if we get anything other than a 404 in our next, and no, we're gonna send it here. So if we get a 404 to this request, we know that this worked, right? Now we need to change all of this, update content length, allow there, and go here. And let me just delete, put that. Okay. And then let's group these, add tabbed group, create tab group, RS, and let's do the blue. Send as group and separate connections. All right, let's do it. Get 200, 200. Let's try it a couple times. So I'm saying it is not, whoops, what the heck's going on here? That is not vulnerable to H2CL. All right, let's try TE. But, remember how it said we're going to do it in foo X. Yeah, sure. Remember how it said that we were going to do CRLF injection? So what we were just doing probably wouldn't have worked anyway. Request headers. Let's change this one and put shift enter content length of 0. Oops. Shift enter, apply changes. Only one cut. That's interesting. Only one content length should be provided. Okay. So let's how do we get back to okay. Let's try transfer encoding. Chunked 0. Yeah, let's try this. And then we want should have been fine. What's going on here? Oh, look at that. 404 not found. Woo. Woo woo, we got it. So it's H2 TE H2 TE with as long as we whatever CRLF inject this second header. Awesome. Okay. So we need to capture see the response by sending them to this search, right? Let's go to here. And let me try below. Searching again. Let's see what we get in proxy. Post. Yeah. So we just need to just, you know, make this our, cannot speak, make this our smuggled request so that their request attaches here. And then we can view that because it will be right here. All right, let's try writing it up right now in code. So what are we going to call this? I'm going to start here. H2 request smuggling via CRLF injection. Then H2 request smuggling via CRLF injection .py. Let's grab our template. Okay. So let's write down the steps we're going to do. We're going to, 1, smuggle a query request to wait for victim to run any request. 3, get results of query request. And then 4, probably log in as them. So let's build our query. The one thing I don't know about is that if my library is going to handle that CRLF injection. Let's go to repeater and let's start building this. So same things as last time. Let's build a def send h2 request. Is that right? I don't remember. What did we call yesterday? Like this one. Send smuggling request. Let's call it that same. I'm going to close the template. Send smuggling request. That looks better. All right. And we're going to do a lot of the same stuff, so we might as well copy this. Sending smuggling. It's going to be a post, boom, other headers. We want, see, this is where I don't think it's going to work. Foo. Let's try it. X R N transfer encoding chunked. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna. What we can do is debug headers right there. And then here we want to smuggle a post to proxy post to the home page. We just need the host. Host will be this host will be host. Content length. We need a long enough length to capture this. So like 144. Let's start there. And this is something search. Okay. All right. So that built the method path, other headers, the body. We can't. Okay, so no enters body. Let's not send it just yet. Let's test it out. Send smuggling request blog.host. And all 3 lines. Okay. All right, let's see how my library handles a injected header. Let's do -D so we can see the debug logs. All right, here's the headers, post path authority, food. Nope, it split them up. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, so no problem. We need to add quest smuggling. Let's add another field here for header list headers equals none. And then here we'll do if list headers plus equals list headers. So as long as list headers is perfectly formatted, this should work. Okay. So other headers, no, we're going to change this to list headers. And that means that this needs to be boom, boom, boom. Okay, I think that's right. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, let's try that. Nope. Oh, yeah. Split lines. Where do I try to split line it? Oh. Duh, right here. Yeah. Methods of food. There we go. That will work. See, we have all of it in one. Okay. Sweet. Now we can send it, and this will be smuggling the query, which is a post. Boom, 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 boom. How often does the victim? Every 15 seconds. All right. Get the result. So let's see. Let's copy like this stuff. We want to actually do some. Wow. When the home page has a search, I want to get this one. Home spec. I don't know how we're gonna do that yet. Label recent searches. We'll just print it out for now. So we don't have a failing when to stop yet. So we'll just do while true. We're gonna send smuggling request. This will be blog.host, and that's all we need. We're going to wait seconds. Wait seconds equals, all right, 15 seconds. Let's do it like a little bit over half, which is 8. We need to import time. And then here we need to get the home page. So blog.get response blog.base URL. And we're just gonna log.debug the this.text. All right, let's give that a shot. So we need to file. We need to exit this. Bool is not callable. Oh, while true. Sorry. All right, so what we're looking for is something in, where's that? Section search the blog. So something right here. Right? Yeah. I don't see it yet. Search blog. Shouldn't it be right above it? Let's look at, it's right above, it's below this, recent searches. Right on the blog header, recent searches. That's what we're looking for. So, blog header, recent searches, right there. I don't see it there. Blog header, I don't see it there. We might be able to see this better in, is it really sleeping 8 seconds? Seems to be going faster than I can look. Yes, it is. All right, let me stop this. Let's look through here a little. Not solved, my account search. So it should be right there, right? Let me make this bigger. See if, no. So these are all the exact same length. So we didn't get it. We didn't do something wrong, right? Let's see what we could have done wrong. Well, let's try it in burp using this exact thing. Target, no, repeater. So if we did post slash content length of 144 and then search like that, this is essentially what we have. I mean, it should be exactly the same, right? Let's send this. And then let's send a proxy post Send to repeater. Without all of this, you got it. Let's search something fragalicious. Yeah, just something we know that, so we know when we found it. I want to make this add tab to group RS, and I don't want to do this one anymore. Well, or I can move it to the end, or I can just pull it out. That's cool. All right, so I want to sequence separate connections. Now, okay, send. Oh, this doesn't need to be a search. This can be just a get. Dang it. So pull that one back in, pull this one out. Pull this one out, I said. Oh, well, I'll just close it. Okay. Yeah, this one can be just a search. Response. Recent searches, blah. Do we need another get? No. So this is not working. I wonder if it's because of this needs to be not content length. Oh, there he goes. Awesome. Is this me? Right when I was about to give up session. That's not even me. N1. Oh, wait. It is me. Okay. This is what I was hoping for. Exactly. I only got it every once in a while, though. Send. 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 Then invalid request. So let's reset. Boom. Show cool. Okay, so we know that what I was trying to do will work, and we know the format. So what I really care about is recent searches, ULIA, right? Okay. So, recent searches, Kate, me. And probably need label to make sure got the right section. This doesn't even have that label. Okay. But was the... I want raw. Okay, this is what I... Copy. Or we can just get the H1. Yeah, the H1 will be much easier. Gosh. I'm an idiot. Where's the... Is the H1? What's the H1 here? There is no H1. We got H2, H2. No H1. Okay, so we can just go H1, capture what's in between and print it for now. Log debug, so resp equals text. And then we want re.compile. We want extract text. Didn't I create that? Utils. Utils. Extract. Yeah, right there. Okay. So, utils.extract text. The regex is going to be our H1 dot asterisk question mark and H1 like that. Here's the capture group. Just like that. Oh, we can do search asterisk search results for and then single quote. That's what we want. Whatever. Dot asterisk question mark. Search results for single quote. Single quote. So I need this to be double. That to be double. Search results for. Yeah. We can even add a H1 here. And an end H1. Perfect. Extract text. Search results equal if search results, we're going to break. Let's log.info search results, and then we'll break the loop. And this needs to be have resp.text. Okay, sweet. We got our ending condition now. And we can even do while search result is none, but this is fine. All right, let's try that. Do we need this anymore? I can't think of a reason why. So we need just hang out. String has no. What? Blog.getResponse. Oh. There we go. You right. You right. What we're looking for is the search results from the victim Gosh dang it, what now? Getting results from none type object is not subscriptable. Oh, yeah. That's because don't I have except I should also do this same for in word for all exceptions. Okay. But yeah, I can't use this extract text because I know it's gonna fail. What if we do I don't want it to error and debug either. So we'll just do the same stuff and we'll just wrap it in and try. Pattern equals re.compile pattern, which is pattern equals this pattern search. We don't need this. This will be change word resp.text import rem equals if let's do m. Let's do this. Okay. Try m1 search results equals m1 except exception and we'll just pass else. We'll do this. Pretty sure that's how you can do that. Try except else. Let me, while that's running, p chrome, let's just make sure. Python try except else. Whatever. Give me the answer else. If there's no exception. Yeah, if there's no exception. That's what we want. Finally, gets executed either exception. Gets executed either exception. What? Always executed. Executed no exception. Nah. That's what we want. All right. How are we doing here? We have negative. We verified that what we had worked. Post content link search. Post content link search. All right. How can we make this? It's every 15 seconds. Let's up the time. Let's just wait 15. And then we're going to send smuggling. We're going to wait. And then we're going to get the response. So, end it right after this. Okay. Why does it have send smuggling request twice? Oh, that's because we do have it twice. We don't need it here. I wonder if that's going to screw up everything. Let's, it may. I wonder if we need to reset by just getting the home page a few times. Let me write that function out just in case we need it. Def reset. We need a blog. Let's just pass the blog. So I want log.info resetting site by requesting home page a number of times. So let's do blog.get response, blog.base URL, 4x in range, I don't know, 10. In case we need to reset. This is bothering me. Why don't we have, again, it's like deja vu of yesterday. We know it works. Everything looks fine. Post. This is the smuggle request. And the headers look fine for other one, post path authority. All right, let's see. All right, let's see what's going on. When we search, I wonder if you have to have this session token. Maybe. So how do we get that? Let's just add it. It won't cost anything to add it. So let's just add it. Blog. Let's right here get resp equals blog dot get response blog dot base URL, and then resp. Here we should have resp. We need the cookie in this request. And it should be when we get the base URL proxy, set cookie session. So it should be cookies equals resp. No. Session token equals resp dot get resp dot cookies dot get cookie session. I think that's right. And then here we can put set cookie, boom, set, oh no, not set cookie. We need, what does it look like when you're sending it? I should know this by heart. Sometimes I swear I forget the stupidest things. Session equals session token. Boom. Just like that. All right, let's try that. See if that works any better. Request cookie jar. Dang it. Print dir resp. I thought it was. Okay, so here's the dir. Cookies dot cookies get. Oh, maybe it's just get instead of what I did. Get cookies dot get session. That's got to be it. So that means this session equals, boom. That looks good. Makes sense because the responses are I don't have it yet. 15 seconds is a long time. I won't be able to see it here because I'm not using the same cookie. Am I? Oh, I'm changing cookies every time. That's probably not good. It'd be better if I kept the same cookie every time. I don't think it'll. Let's do it here. Cookie session token equals. Let's just do this. And then here, there. And let's change this back to 8 seconds. Man, these videos are long and I'm sure boring. I don't know what to do differently. This is me trying to solve the lab. What can I do? I could solve it beforehand. Now we're using it. We should be using the same. Yep, we're using the same cookie, which means I should be able to trigger this by using, oh no, if I use it, I should be able to trigger that response by doing this, right? I don't think I got something right. I'm not doing something right. I should be able to see those. Send. 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 I should have captured at least mine. All right. I'm going to stop this. Okay, so I figured out one of the issues. And one of the issues was I didn't have a 0 here. And I don't know how I missed that, but whatever. I added it. I started running it again, didn't get any results, but then went to the site and sent a request, and boom, look at this. We got some results. And I think this one is the victim because this one is me. I know that because of the session. And this one is me. I know that because of, Python. So we just need to figure out why proxy this is not returning anything. H1 raw. H1 0. I know it should be 0. So why? Oh, I need the dot all because look, this has, it's not ending. That's why. Okay. So in this, I need the dot all. And I do that with search re dot all. Let's do this. cd grep -r dot. I don't need. Oh, I better have. Do I need multi-line? No. I don't think so. But we better do it like this. So let's open up this. Copy vim. Paste. Dot. Okay. So here we're going to do pattern equals. Boom. We've got that. M equals re dot search pattern resp dot text flags equals re dot m pipe re dot all, like that. And we know that this is 0, but whatever, we can leave it like that. Okay. Let's try that. Come on, guy. We already know that we're not capturing enough. Hey, there we go. We got ourselves. That's okay. So we can check that by doing right here, if search results, if Python -requests -2.28.1 Python requests in search results. Continue. Try that. Else, if search results. Let's just do this. No. Else, continue. Else, break. Okay. So the only time we break is when we have search results and Python requests is not in those search results. It's encouraging. I'm back to being happy. We got something going. How many times did it take? 1, 2, 3. That's good. 3. I'm happy with 3. And we know we need, I should have upped this time also. Oh, 3 to capture our own. I want to make sure post, yeah. Session, oh, I want to make sure. When we are doing this get response, are we using our session token here? Let's change that. I don't know if that's so. If args dot no proxy resp equals request dot get blog dot base URL, and then I need cookies. Whatever. I can just do it here. Cookies equal session session token else there. That in replace of that. Oh, I should change this also to something bigger. R4, a lot bigger. Send request smuggling. Should we just wait 15 seconds? And we're guaranteed. Want to make sure we catch it. They don't do any more than one request. If search results, let's do log.info caught myself. Is there a better way to do this? Multiline.all. except we want here continue. Which it will anyway, but better to be explicit. Why isn't this working? It should be, right? What's our session token? Yeah, that copies it all. Boom. Session. AV. Save. What? Oh, that's Python. What about this one? Oh, crap. It's because it's in there. Ah, dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Okay. I'm just gonna print search results until, and then we'll manually kill it until I can figure out a better way. Problem I was having was that I checked for search results and it sees, oh, yep, I've definitely got, oh, but look, this doesn't have an H1. Spect. Gosh dang it. No, I don't want an H1. I want recent searches. This is not good. I just want, I'm doing a terrible job of this. What if I just search and print out every instance of get forward slash, yeah. So instead of trying to target one, instead of this, I want man, I'm doing terrible. What's the better way to solve this one? Use something like whatever that HTML parser is. Recent searches. Or just search for, is this one line? Let's view page source. Recent searches, get, and then return. Start with and end in /A. Okay. 3. Start with get, and then dot asterisk question mark, and then end in A. And I want to capture this whole thing. Search. This is the search will get 1, right? I want more than 1. Chrome, Python, regex. And then I want to print out all match objects. So since match and search return none, what's the difference between match if 0? Match does the beginning of the string, where search Scan through string looking for the first location. Find all. Similar to pattern. Turn all non-overlapping match. That's what I want. re.find all. Okay. re.find all. Where was I? 5. Find all pattern string flags. Pattern string flags. Okay. And then so should I just not even capture it and just if and this returns what? Return all as a list of strings or tuples. Okay. So let's just do print m. For now. So we got 0 matches that first try. Zero. Pattern get. That should be right. That should exist. Dang it, we're not getting anything. We should be getting something by now, right? I made sure we're using that. Let's look at what we're at. Proxy. Oh, timed out. Gosh. Killing me. What? Well, we definitely got. There's the victim. Why did it say it was timed out? We definitely. What the heck was going on there? Invalid request. Proxy error. Timed out. Dang it. Proxy error. Server error. Oh, crap. I'm doing. Flip. That's gotta be. I don't understand. If args, no proxy, else. I don't understand what is happening right now. Oh, that one. looked like it worked, but there was no. But this one doesn't. Get user. Do you see anything wrong with this cookie? Send a repeater. Repeater. Send. I must have something messed up. No. Proxy. What the hell is going on here? Why do I have these? I'm using requests. Everything should be fine. I'm setting the cookie. Does the cookie matter? I don't. Help me understand what is going on here. Save. This is what I should be seeing. Instead, I'm getting jabberwockied here. Request blog.base URL. Cookies. There's got to be something dumb that I'm missing. Bad request, invalid request. But this one, I don't understand. Send a repeater. If I just send that, I get a good response. I can send this all day and get a good response. Well, except for this time. And that time. If it did work, we would have information about the victim. We don't have their session token yet, so we need to up that. Hey, look, it's finally started working. All right, let's up the. Dude, this video, I apologize to everyone for this video. I don't know what's going on here. Let's up this to 644. All we need to do is capture some freaking session tokens of the victim and not have the stupid request timeout. Invalid request is fine. The proxy timeout is not. Proxy timeout. Server error communication timeout. That was me. Invalid request. I don't know why this one, it's not such a big deal, as long as I can make one. Why is it making this respond this way? Sometimes. Session. Maybe I need lab and analytics. Let me just copy this. Add that here. Like that, right? We're going to get to the bottom of this. We can do a user agent. We already have a user agent, right? Yep. We can do a refer, maybe. Our connection closed. Do we need that? We already have it. That worked. Do you think it's the lab analytics cookie that could be causing the issue? We got one. This is the victim. Victim fingerprints. Secret. Oh. Cookie victim secret. And A. So we need at least 32 more. So let's go R7A. And let's Control C. Run this again while I try to figure out. No. Proxy error. Hey, look at that session. We probably need a little bit more length because that doesn't look like enough. Copy. Where's my counter? Local host on 41958. Nah. Be amazing if I had guessed that. 49158. That's close. 49158. 14. So we need at least 18 more. What are we at? Let's put this at 750. And then, okay. So back to this. Let's assume this is going to start working again. What we can do is we get a list. We can do if len of m is greater than 0, right? Else we'll just continue on the loop. Okay. If victim in we can do loop through each for x in m if victim in m in x. This isn't working. I think I need to for some dumb reason, like induce it to work. Because this started working right away, but that's because I was playing with crap on the other end. So victim right there. Let's put this in parentheses. In X, let's save this out. So, what is this? Quest text equals X. Let's put request text equals none. Request text equals X. And then break. What's this? Yeah. Print request text. And I don't know why I keep putting semicolons after break. All right. Did we see it started working? Victim. After I sent. Is that a requirement? Why would that? It's not working, right? Boom. Send. Send. Gonna get that timeout. I don't know why. But, boom. Working. Victim. Told you. I wonder if I should just... Okay. We need to do this. So let's try... I don't really honestly know what's going on, but let's wait 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Send this request. Wait another 4 seconds. And then do this again. Let's def get home page. We need session token. And we need blog. I'm going to put this all in here. Return resp. And then resp equals request dot get no resp equals get home page. So crazy. Blog dot session token. All right. Now we need that again here. Oh my gosh. It's got to be because I'm poisoning the queue. The next one clears the queue. And then it starts working again. That's what I'm assuming. So if that's true, we want to wait 8 seconds and then send 2. right? I think so. So let's do wait R8. We need to know if the response timeout. So if resp.status code equals 200, I want to process it, else I want to do it again. So I can do right here, I can do while rest while rest equals 200. This is where I want to do. Let me put all of this crap into a function. Extract header. And I need this. I don't know what I need, but I need a return request text. All right. I've got pattern. I need the response. And that's all I need. So if the response header, I need to extract header of resp. Else I want to, so here I need while resp.status code does not equal 200. I want to do this. And then once it does, I want to extract header request text equals, and then print request text. Okay, let's try that. Oh my gosh. This video is the longest video I've ever created in my life. It's killing me. Okay, we're gonna go to proxy and see how we're doing. Got some not founds. Got some 200s. Which sure the heck look like it has a victim in it with a secret and a session. What in the world? What? When did this happen? 40. So it should have. If victim in X. What is going on now? Log.debug m It's working though. And let's also up the size a little bit more. Let's go to 800. Pattern get, boom. Where? Request text is referenced before assignment. Oh. Extract header. Fuck. Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Hey, we got victim. We're getting it. We are getting it. We're returning request text. Find all is M. If M in request X equals X, and then that must be this print, which is this. Why is it a list? But look, we got secret, session, victim fingerprint. We've got enough there. But why is it a freaking list? Explain that to me. If length of M is greater than 0, for X and M, if victim in X why isn't that a freaking string? I don't know, but as long as we got the string, I can deal with it. And it happened pretty fast. And did it happen again fast? Yes, it did. Woo, we nailed it. Okay. So let's do some tests here. Request extract header resp. We can do 0 here. Main thread debug. Where was the debug? Extract headers. Ah, right here. M. M. If length M is greater than 0, which it will be for X and M, if victim in X, it will be. Let's do here. I am tired and I've lost anything that makes me smart about doing this. And so now I'm just trying to get by. So I want to make sure the request text is a plain text. It is. Sweet. So let's delete this, and then while true, request text, while change word, request text is none. That should exit out of there, and then we need to extract the cookies. Cookies equals re extract text. We did this in another one very not too long ago. Session. So that should end right there. So extract text r single quote, and this is utils. R single quote cookie, boom, and then boom dot asterisk question mark until a single quote, boom. And then I swear I did this in a lab. Not too long ago, where I just, right here. Well, whatever. We, no, because I want all of them, not. Okay, let's just write it brand new. Cookies equals this, but not cookies. Cookies text equals that. We want to split them, cookies. We're gonna extracted the text, so let's cut off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So how do I want to do this? Cookies. Let's just equals cookies text from 8 to the end. That should cut off this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I want to cookies list equals, oh, and I also want to cut off, oh, nope, I extract, never mind, I don't need to do that, because right here I do that. So I need to cookies list equals cookies text dot split on the semicolon. We don't care about the last one. I'm not going to use it anyway. And then we need to for x in cookies list x dot split on the equal sign, and that will be name value equals x dot split on the equal sign, boom, and then we can use it cookies equals let's put this here, cookies name equals value, and let's just do, is it, I always forget, Python strip, yeah, see, I always forget, dot strip, just to make sure, dot strip now that we've got cookies, let's just print cookies just to make sure we're on track. We did a lot of stuff. Make sure the lab's still alive. Looks like it is. Well, I can't actually tell yet. Yes, definitely is still alive. Okay. Wing, wide. Extract text. But this shouldn't, while request test is none. Huh. Maybe it got it right away. On the first try, that's a little suspicious. Yep. Cannot find pattern in text. Text is just G. Oh, this is not right. I give up on this video. Something here is not right. If victim in X, return X. Otherwise, return none. None-typed object is not subscriptable. This was right after wait 8 seconds. Request text, extract header. Oh gosh. Extract header. I don't need this. I made an absolute mess of this. We didn't get it the first time. We can check by looking here. Nope. Didn't get it there. It should be like that, a much bigger. See, we're constantly getting these timeouts, but that's okay because our next request. Nope, didn't get it there. Didn't get it there. Ooh, that looks promising. We definitely got something. Victim fingerprint, secret, session, lab analytics. Yes. All right. Now, what do we need to do to solve this? To solve lab, gain access to another user's account. All right, so we just need to access like the my account page. Let's do that. So let's do. Do I have like something in anything that does like maybe in site my dash account? No. Didn't we do this though recently? Whatever. I can just write it up. Stop being a wuss, Trevor. Okay. Requests.get blog.base URL plus my dash account. Right. Yep. With cookies equals cookies. That's it. If args dot no proxy, do that, else do that, but with a proxy. Proxies equals utils dot proxies verify equals false. And then I need to blog dot is solved. All right. Maybe the last time for this crazy. I don't know why this was so tough for me. I mean, thinking back, none of this stuff was tough. I just didn't get anything right the first time. Super rough. But this is very cool. So let's do the recap. Ah, yes. We got it. Just recap. We sent a request with a carriage return line feed to smuggle in the transfer encoding. That allowed us to smuggle in this request that sent a post to the home page with search parameter left open. That meant that the next request would attach themselves to search, and then when we got the home page, we'd be able to see what their headers that they requested. Using that, we extracted the cookies and then logged in or visited the My account with their cookies, essentially logging in as them, doing an account takeover. That allowed us to solve the lab. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.